Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to create a full stack application in Next 15 and we are going to clone a JioCinema. So we will create first its front end and after that we will start building its backend with APIs and database all. So this will be a full stack application and if you will add this to your project then it will be super cool. So let's begin. So first of all we will go to the Next website and we will install the latest version of Next.js which is currently launched and it's a Next 15. I will copy this and I will come to my terminal. Okay, I will open here my terminal and let me say cmd and I will hit enter. I will move to my terminal. I will install the application in I will create an application. This command will help me to install the latest version of Next.js. I will give my name as GeoClone. I think the caps letter will not be accepted, so I will say GeoClone and I will hit enter. I don't need TypeScript. No, by default whatever I am getting I'm just doing just install whatever the default I'm getting. Okay, now it will depend on my internet connection and power of my machine, so it will take around 1 to 2 minutes. Till then we will see how we are going to create and what will be the logic. So we will come back to here. So we will create this landing page and here you can see navbar is there. We have few menus. After that we will skip this ad and we will have one carousel. Okay, we will skip these. This is basically a TV shows like channel names. After that we will create this and these are some live shows like tournaments kind of. So we are going to skip these. After that whatever the latest we have watched we will keep it here and we are going to build hot right now and free episodes. After that on the basis of languages ads we are going to skip and the same layout we are going to achieve in today's video. Now next if I show you while clicking if I click on this show or any of the show then I will redirect to this kind of screen. So what we will do, we will create the same page. Okay, so if I click on resume or play then I can easily play. Now if I want to share some recommendation also, so we are going to build this recommendation system also and how it will work from starting to end, how everything will go we will see. Okay, now what will be the main task? First we will start the server. If it's installed, it's currently installing and I will use my hostinger panel for database. I will create my database. Okay, so I will go to my hostinger panel and I will create here first my database. So if you want to use any local database in your system or anything, if you want to clone the UI only, then also you can watch this video, no matters. Okay, so I will say here JioCinema Geo clone. Okay, and username I will say the same and the password I will say JioCinema and some random keywords I will say. Okay, so if I show you the password, by the way I will change this password. Okay, next. So this will be my pass. If I no, I will not take a risk. I will copy this and I will paste this. So I will say here 123 and @ okay, so this is my password and I will say create. So it will help me to create my database. Now what next I will do, I want to connect this database to my Next.js project, correct? So what I will do next, I will go to my connections. I hope I will go to my remote MySQL and I will add my this database also. So currently I want that anyone can connect. So I will say here JioCinema clone. Okay, and I will say create. So now it will help me to create my database to my front end. Okay, so that's all from the database side. Now we will create tables and other steps further. So what I will do, I will see cd clone cd and I want to enter to the folder. So the folder name was geo and I will hit enter and I will say code, means I want to open it in editor. Okay, cool. Now I will say here npm run dev. One sec. Where's my terminal? Okay, npm run dev. I will hit enter. Now it will start me the server. Okay, and if I come to my editor, so this is my editor. Whatever the default code is there, we have got it that. Okay, so next task is we will come to our page.jsx and I will wait for servers to start. Okay, I will do control click here so that my page will open in my browser. This will help me to open my to run my server and I will wait for a while till my server is loading. It's currently compiling. It will take around depend on your computer computer's storage and speed and performance, how much time it's going to take. Hopefully it will not take much more time. but we will wait. And it has compiled, and currently you can see I have got the output here. So first my task is to remove whatever the code they have provided by default. Okay, I will come here and I will remove this. Okay, and images. And now what I will do, I will come to my global.css and I will remove this from here. Now next I will go to my layout.jsx and I will keep it else, but okay, I will keep it as, and from global.css I had removed everything. Now in page.module.css I will remove everything. So I will get a complete white page currently. Okay, you can see here I am getting a complete white page. Cool. Now what's next? uh, Now what's next, I want to create this neb. If I go here, so currently our first main task is to create a neb bar. Cool. So what I will do, I will create a folder with the name components. Sorry. Okay, I will say I have created one file. Okay, fine, I will say components slash navbar. Okay, .jsx, and it has created me a file with the name. Now I will say here export default, and this will be an async function, or I will say an async function, and their function name will be navbar. And I will not get any params here. I will return from here one JSX fragment, and I will import it in my page.jsx. Okay, and I will say here navbar, and I will wrap it. Okay, cool. Now what next? First I need, if I come here, currently we will not get anything because we are not rendering anything. Now for testing purpose, like our navbar is connected or not, we will come back to our browser and we will see whether our page is updated or not. Cool. Our everything is import is working fine. Now next I will go to my this css file and I will say my margin for all the text will be 0. Okay, so I will say margin is 0 now, and padding also we can say 0, padding as a 0. And if I come here and okay, cool. Now next we will remove this and we will start building our neb bar. Okay, now inside neb bar we will say here one neb tag, and I can remove this JSX fragments. Cool. And now next inside I have 3 divs. I will take 3 divs by the way, and one sec, I will say div into 3, and this had created me a div 3 divs. So first I will say I had one image. Okay, I will say image, and image src will be this, and I need to first import this image. Okay, so I will say import image from Next.js, like next image. Now I need to provide here width, and width will be 100 and height will be 100. Now I will say here alt will be the text like logo. Okay, I will say logo, and the src we are taking same as the Next.js. Okay, I will copy this one and copy image address. Okay, and I will come back to my project and I will paste it here. Cool. Now if I come back here and I should get the my logo. Okay, I am getting my logo. Cool. Now what's the next? So now next I need that my logo is looking fine. Now I need my navbars like home, sports. So what I will do, I will copy this and I will come here, I will paste this in div. So I will take some like 4 divs and I will paste it here, and I will copy paste these. Control C, sports here, movies will be here, and TV shows will be here. Control C. Okay, cool. Now we have created this and I can easily do this. Now what I need, I want to change this from, I want to change this to link tag. Now why link tag I need to change, I will let you know, because whenever we click on these we need to redirect to the user to some page na, correct? So for that we are using link tag. Okay, cool. Now next what I need to import this link also. So for that I will say import link from next link. Okay, now here are a few things required, like if here href is required, so I will say href, and href will be some path. Okay, so currently I'm keeping it as slash. Now next we have an search bar. If I show you here, we have one search box and one profile icon. Cool. So now next we will take here inside this again 2 divs. So I will say div into 2, and first of all we have in first one div we have input tag, correct? And first there are 3. First is image, second is input tag, and third is image. Cool. So what we will do, we will copy the same, and in first one we will paste. Okay, 2 time. Cool. Now next I will say here input tag, and I will say input and input tag, and placeholder will be type to search, type to search, okay, and I will say this kind of, and I am just keeping it right now like this. After that I will do it format document, and that's all till now. Now I need to copy these icons also, so I will copy this copy image address for search icon. I will replace it, okay, and I will copy this one icon at like image address, and I will replace it with this. Cool. Now I should get the icons in my project, okay. If I come here and I am getting they are not visible, okay, cool, not an issue. So what's next, what I will do, I will basically start styling these, okay. So I will come here and I will use my global.css, and I will say body and background color will be black, okay. We will make it as a dark theme, and I will say my black theme to be kind of little bit blackish, okay. And if I come here, I have got it kind of this output. We can make it more blackish, by the way, okay. Now we have got it somehow like this. Cool. So now next what I need my nav component to be styled. So I will say here class name, and we will create one file with the name navbar dot module dot css, and I will hit enter. I will import this style, okay. So I will say import styles from navbar dot slash nav module dot css, and I will say here class name to be style dot navbar, okay, cool. Now we will start styling this. I will come here and I will say dot I will make it display as a flex, and align items to be justify space between, okay. So I will say space one sec, justify content, na, correct. Justify content to be space between, and I will say align item to be center, okay. So what this will help me, so currently I can see I have got it an output. Now let's do some more styling, okay. So now what I need in my margin, I need some padding, okay. So I will say padding, and padding that I need is from top I will say 10 pixel, and from left to right I will say 20 pixel, okay, cool. Now it has created me the nice look, and now I will come here and I will copy this navbar, okay. So first I will do, I will convert this link, okay. I will convert this div to a link. Why link? Because whenever we will click on this logo, na, we should redirect to the home page, correct. So we have implemented that part. Now next I will say here class name to be logo, okay, and I will copy this. I will come to my this file and dot logo, and we have not kept any text, so this text itself is in logo. So what we will make right now, we will increase the width, okay. So what we will say, width is equals to 200 pixel, and height we will make it auto. It's not implementing, not an issue, okay. What an issue, so we will come to my image, okay. Now if I come back to here and if I show, so its width is increasing or not. If I come here and we have class logo, and inside a logo we have one image tag, cool. Now next I can make its height to be auto, okay, auto. And if I come here, it's not even gathering this, okay, cool. I will inspect it and I will see what's an issue. And if I come here and if I see, we have set its by the way its class is not applying, image class is not applying, so we will see why it's not applying. So navbar logo is there, dot logo, okay, class name logo, and inside that logo we had one image, but on that image we are css is not applying, so dot logo is there inside that one image. So instead of image I will say img, okay, that's cool, it's our bad. So we have got it an like our width and height auto. Now we will start these styling our menu icons. So I will say this class name to be styles dot menu, okay. I can say nav menu, okay. We will make its display as flex. Currently itself is a display flex, so I will say display to be flex, and width to be 40 vw, and next I will say that align justify content will be space between, we need some space between, okay. After that I will say align item to be center, cool. Now if I come here and we are getting an output, so I'm getting width it to be too much, so I will say here width to be 30 vw, okay. Cool, we are getting it. Now what I will say here, I will say dot nav menu, and we have one a tag inside these. So I will say here color to be gray. Okay, gray, and font size to be little bit big, so I will say 20 pixel, and color, that's fine. Font weight I will say bolder or bold I will say. And next I will say text decoration to be none. And if I come here and if I show, okay, it's looking cool, but the exact color we want, so I think we have the same color, and it's a little bit more, not like, it's a little bit more light, so I will make it light. So we will make it till here. And okay, cool. Now what is the next? Now dot nav menu, and a tag when we hover on it. Okay, hover. So what's here? I want to make its color to be white. Okay, so if I go here back, and if I hover on it, so it's becoming white. Cool. Now we will start this styling our the input tag. So we will make it here some class name to be search, uh, search bar. Okay, so first we need to make it like styles. Okay, after that I will come here, and I will say basically, okay, I will say a dot search bar. And what I need here, I need here my search bar to be displayed as flex. And I need justify content to be space between. Okay, and I will say align item to be center. Now next what I need, I first I need to copy this image, and I need to provide this image here also, and I will wrap this inside one link tag. Okay, and link tag, and means whenever we click on this button, like this one link, we will redirect the user to link page. Cool. Now if I do here href, and href will be dot slash, we are not capturing anything right now. Cool. Now let's change the logo also. Okay, I will come here and I will copy this url. Okay, this image url, copy image address, and I can easily replace this. Okay, and I will say control v. After that, and I should get my output. Cool, I am getting an output. So now let's make them. Okay, now if I come here and if I start styling this also, so I will say search bar. Inside search bar I had my first div. Okay, so I will copy this, I will paste this class here, and I will say first search bar div. Okay, and I will say here I will copy this, I will come to my css, and I will say a dot, and here I will say it's display to be flex, display to be flex. And what else I need, I need its background to be, and background to be gray, gray. Okay, and border radius to be 10 pixel. Right now we will adjust it to our need. Okay, it's looking cool, but the icon's height is too much, so we will manage that also. So currently it's looking fine, but I want to do, it's like I want padding also a little bit. So I will say padding top will be 5 pixel, not much more, 10 pixel from left right. And now I need that its border radius to be a little bit more, so I will say make it 15. And I will, what I will do, I will reduce these images sizes. So I will say dot first component, and here I have my images tag. So I will make its width to be 50, not 100 pixel, and height to be auto. Okay, height to be auto. And after that if I come here, and it is taking too much width even, and height is too much, so I will make it 40, so that we can make it fine. It's looking not that much fine, but we will adjust it. If I do 30, then it's looking fine. But the image of this, if I come here and I will say first child, first child and the last child. Okay, we will gather these both. So I will say here last child, and I will say here its width to be 20. Okay, and it's looking cool, but we need it to be like 15, much more small, as much as it can be. Okay, looking cool. Now what next, I will say here dot, and inside input. Okay, an input tag, and I want to style input tag as background color to be transparent. Okay, and I want to say that outline will be none. Okay, we don't need any outline, and we need padding to be 0 from top, and from left and right 20 pixel. After that I will say my border to be none. Okay, border to be none. And if I come here, and I should get my output. Cool, I want to say that color to be white, black. Okay, color to be black. Cool. And it's looking fine, but I can say the color is fine, but placeholder color is not fine. Okay, so I will do control plus, I will do here control K, and I want place holder color to be black, and it will add like placeholder color. Okay, except it's not fine, but I think this will not even work. Not working. So I will say here dot first input, and input I n put, and I will say placeholder, and placeholder color to be black. Okay, and if I come here, and I should get my placeholder color as black. Cool, but I need white because I think white will be the fine here. Okay, so I will just adjust within a min sec. Okay, I have got it. So I will change its color also to white. Cool, now I can see my search bar is even looking fine. Now next I need like a little bit and now we need to adjust this input tag, this one. Okay, so I will do I will copy this class name and I will paste it here. I will say that it is the last name. Okay, last search div. I will say last search bar div. I will copy it and I will come here, control V, and I will say that and one sec, I will say its width to be 50 pixel, because, and padding to be I will say 30 pixel, and from top I need 0. Okay, cool. And if I come right now, it's looking not that much perfect, but we will reduce the height to be 30, and now it should look cool. Okay, image width is 30 pixel, and one sec, let us, okay, okay, our bad, I will say here, now we will come here, we will see the structure. So we have this, and we have this a tag, and inside a tag we have image. Cool. So what I will do, I have an a tag, and inside a tag I have an img tag. Okay, cool. So this is basically an issue, so its height has been reduced too much, so I will make it back to 40, and it's looking cool, fine. We have created a nav bar. Of course it's not functional, but we have created. Now next is we will create this slider. Okay, this one slider. So what I will do, I will create a one component here, and I will create a file with the name nav slider. Okay, or I will say first menu. Okay, menu.jsx. Okay, and so what will be the menu? These currently, can you see these this is a menu. Okay, I will come here and I will say export default async function, and I will say here that this is my function. The function name will be menu. Okay, and I will not get any parameter here right now. One sec, I will not get any parameter. I will return here one JSX fragment, and this will be basically a div. Okay, div, and I will take one array, const data is equals to an array, and I will take here some, one sec, I will take here some or I will, what I will do, instead of array, okay, array of objects I will say. Okay, I will take this and I will say link is equals, okay, one sec, I will say link, and the link will be kind of slash. Okay, and after that I will say that name will be for you. Currently we are taking a demo things. Okay, for you, and after that I can say dot dot dot, and I will copy this and I will paste, I will replicate it like 30 to 40 times. Okay, and it will be displayed like this. So now what I will do, what I now will do, I will come here and I will say data dot map, and I will get my data here item, and I will create an arrow function, and I will return the something from here, and the thing I will return from here will be one link tag. Okay, and that will be link. It will come from Next.js, so I have imported that, and I will say slash link, and I will say here item dot name, and href will be item dot link. Okay, so now if I come here, I should get some of the texts. Am I getting somewhere? Okay, not getting, because I have not imported this module anywhere. manual. Okay, so what I will do right now, I will go to my page.jsx and I will say here menu. One sec. I will say here menu. Okay, and I will wrap it. I will come back here, and if I if I come here, currently you can see I am getting this output, correct? So now let's do its styling. So now what I will do now, I will create one file for menu. Okay, menu dot module dot css. I will hit enter. I will come back to my module, sorry, menu dot file dot css, and I will say here, first of all I will import this css. I will say import styles from and dot slash one sec dot slash menu module dot css. I will say styles. Class name will be styles dot menu. Okay, so this is a menu. So I will make it as a, I will come back to my menu file and I will say display to be flex. Okay, flex. I will say align item to be center and justify content to be center. After that I will say here margin will, sorry, margin will be from top I need at least 20 pixel, and 10 and bottom, like top and bottom I need 10 pixel, and from left and right I need 20 pixel. Cool. Now next I need that overflow should be scroll. Okay, overflow should be scroll, and next I need that my basically width should be 100 vw, means it should not go beyond my screen. I can see it's not going beyond my screen, but it's not even able to scroll, or else I can scroll it, no, or else I have the enough data itself. Okay, we will see what's an issue. So currently we have a link tag. So what I will do right now, I will say here dot menu. Inside this I have an a tag, and I will say here that color to be black. Okay, I will say black, and I will say basically background color to be white, and next I will say here padding will be 10 pixel from top, 20 pixel from, and I will say border radius to be and 10 pixel. Okay, now next I will say here it is looking somehow like this. Okay, we are getting the scroll bar. Cool. Now I will define here some width also. I will say width here as 200 pixel, and if I come here and let the page refresh, we are getting an output, but it's kind of not to be expected. I will inspect it, and we will come here, and we have gathered this. I will say here width will be max content, or okay, cool, not we are getting this. Now if I come back to my this width should be this, and overflow we are making it as 100%, like overflow as scroll. Cool, we can make it auto even, and auto we are getting a perfect scroll bar, but the thing is we are not getting this nav bars in a proper okay. Now what next, instead of this div I will link getting it link, I will say I will make it div, and one sec, I will wrap this inside one div, and I will hit enter the link tag. Now next what I need, I will say I will come back to my this file, and I will do here div, and if I come back here, currently it's not coming as an expected. Okay, cool, not an issue. So I will do come here, and I will remove few of the properties. Okay, like color I don't need. Okay, color I don't need, even background color is fine, padding is fine, border color is fine, and width is also fine. And now also we are not getting. Cool. So if I come back here and if I see what's an issue, so the issue is this a tag. If I say here a tag width to be 200, so it is saying that we are not getting, make its display property as inline. Okay, so what I need, I will say here it's display as inline. Okay, and I will say here width to be 100 pixel, not getting. Cool. Now I will make its with display as inline, display as inline. Okay, but I hope still we are not getting this output. Width is not even applying. The display inline property prevents width from having effect. So try setting display to something other than inline. Okay, it is saying something other than inline. Okay, flow, it's working for flow. So what I will do, display to be flow, display to be flow. Okay, FLO. I will say flexbox or flow root. Let's see what will be the output. Currently we are not getting. I will refresh it. I will come here and I will see what's an issue. We are getting this one width as the fine, but here I will come and I will say display to be I am not getting anything. It's fine. No, display none is not fine. And I will say first of all width to be 100 pixel. Okay, and after that I will say display to be block. Okay, cool. I am getting an output. So how I am getting, so I will say here dot menu, and inside div I have an a tag, and I will make its display to be block, and I will say here its width to be 100 pixel. Okay, or I will say fit content. Cool. Now I hope it should work fine for me, and not working. Cool. I will make its width even 100 pixel itself. Okay, so now it's working for me. Now I don't need background color for this. I will copy it and I will paste it here. Okay, nice. Now next, let me remove this. Padding will be not needed here. Padding will be needed here. Now next, if I come and refresh. Okay, cool. Now currently we are getting the data. Okay, but the scroll bar is coming. Cool, we will handle that. Now next is we will make its color little bit kind of gray. It's too light. Okay, perfect. Now I need some margin also. Okay, so I will say here margin to be like 10 pixel. Okay, and from left right 20 pixel. Now let's see how will it look. Okay, cool. It's looking perfect as I'm expecting. Okay, so now next what I need, I will say here basically width. I will remove this width, by the way. I hope any effect should not happen while removing. And okay, cool, nothing had been happened. And flex start should be display flex start, start where is the start, flex. Okay, we will make it flex as a start. One sec. Flex as a start is there property. Okay, let me remove this and come back to my browser, and let me do here. Okay, and I need this one first component to be perfectly aligned. Okay, so what I will do, I will come here and I will say flex of okay, direction. First of all, let me do it. I will say which will be fine, and this is fine. No, this one is not fine. So I am getting the scroll bar, but I need my component to be visible on the screen fully, and I'm not getting a scroll bar. So let's see which one will work fine. I think this one will work fine. So this is basically flex wrap. Okay, uh, this one property is working fine for us. I will copy it and I will come back here. I will keep it here, and if I come back and see, I'm getting a perfect scroll bar and with proper and everything. Okay, cool. Now what next, what I will do, I will basically uh, first of all I will make some borders. Okay, so what I will make its border to be 10 pixel, but it's not applying. Cool, I will remove it from here and I will kept it here. Okay, and I can remove easily this from here. Now if I come back, border should be applied. Okay, border is not applying. It should apply, by the way. If I come back, border, not border radius, my bad. Border radius 10 pixel, and so border had been applied, and I am getting the data. So now we will use a little bit chat gpt also. So I will come back here to my chat gpt and I will ask a little bit prompt that I want to hide scroll bar from my website. Okay, this will give me a line of css which I will try to paste in my module, global css. Okay, and let us see how is it. Okay, but keep functional. Okay, this is the thing that we need to copy. Okay, I will copy this one and I will come to my global.css file. I will paste it here and I will say that I need to apply this on star, means every component, and same thing for here also. Okay, instead of it I will say star. And if I come back to my project right now, so currently we are not getting any scroll bar, but scroll is happening. Okay, so cool, we have achieved this, but right now everything is fine. I will come to my menu file and I will first remove the top bar margin. Okay, I will say top will be the 0. Okay, and here is fine, and if I come here it's looking fine, but next I need to remove more, so I will make it 0 from here. And okay, cool, we are getting an output and it's even scrolling perfectly. Now next what I need basically one thing. If you guys have seen that we are missing something. Okay, and what is that? We will look. If I come here to my website and currently can you see, if I scroll, we are not getting this data here. Like it's something like any container is wrapped inside something. So what is that? We will look into it. Okay, and so what is this? Basically we are, it's kind of like padding. No, I think width to be 100 pixel is fine. I can make, can I make it width as a fit content? Width to be fit content. Okay, cool, I will make it width to be fit content. So means it will adjust the width according to the text. Okay, from backend, whatever the text we are sending, on the basis of that it will depend. Okay, now next how I am getting this. First of all, let's look to this, and if I come here I am seeing body. Okay, body is fine, that's fine. And I have this, I'm getting here some margin. Okay, I will remove this margin from here. Cool, and I don't need anything here. Okay, now if I come here and see, I'm getting this my data. Okay, now what next? Let's style this a little bit more. I will say text decoration to be uh, none, and after that I will say here color color should be black. Okay, black. Okay, black. Now next I will say basically, is it looking the same? Let's see. Now we, our color is white and background is little bit kind of blackish. Okay, cool, we will make it transparent so that we can get a good look. Okay, cool, it is fine, but exactly we are not. So what I will do, I will copy the css of background color from here. Okay, and background, so this was the background. No, this was not the background. Is it not? I think this was not this, not this even. I think this one was there. Menu A. Not sure what was that. No. We will leave. We will keep it like this right now. Okay. That's cool. And we will make font weight as bolder. Okay. Font weight to be bolder. And if I come back, I should get it as a proper. Okay, I can change. Okay, cool. Now what can I say? Our scroll bar is perfectly working, and now if I come back here, I am getting these basically these banners. Okay, so what we will do, we will create again one component for this, and if I create again one component, we will say cursor. Okay, we will make one file with the name cursor. Okay, cursor.jsx, and export same, like same export default async function, and this will be ior. Okay, cursor spelling can be wrong, not an issue. Now I will say return, and I will return here a JSX fragment. Now what I need some data. So what data I need basically on this banner? So currently can you see, I need this one data, like whether it is horror, Hindi, and useless ed, and one link tag and one image tag, correct? So now let's prepare the data. I will say here const. So currently we are doing the static data. Okay, and we will within some time we will get this data from backend. Okay, we will create APIs. Okay, now what I will do, now I will say here an array, and I will create an object. I need one link tag. Okay, link, and this will be the, like some link, and after that I need one image, and this URL, this will be an image URL. Okay, and after that I'm saying that my text, like category. Okay, or I will say here this is a language. Okay, first I will say LANGUA language, and whatever the language is there, I will say Hindi, and I will say type, like I will say type, which kind of type, like category. Okay, I will say here category, GORY category, and I will say that this category is horror. Okay, and I will wrap it like this. Now next I will say here, what is it? This is some other text now, a kind of a slash u slash a. Okay, we will make it the same, u a or u slash a. Is it so? Okay, cool. Now we will make it u slash a to be uh, 16 plus. I think 16 plus was there, no? Correct, 16 plus. Now this is what the data or JSON data should look like. Now we will copy the image. Okay, right now what I will do here, I will copy image address and I will open this image address in new tab and we'll see whether we are getting this image. Okay, cool, we are getting this image. I will replace this image with this. Okay, fine. Now what I will do next, I will basically copy it and I will paste this, like I will create some so that I can achieve the scroll bar. Cool, perfect. Now what I need, I will copy this code from here, from my menu, and I will copy paste the same. Okay, I will do it like this, and I will come to my cursor and I will paste it here like that. Now what's next, I will say basically here div is fine. Okay, link is also fine. And now I will say here basically enter. I am doing enter and I will do format document so that it can look pretty. Okay, next I need here image tag. Okay, I will say here image tag, and I will do here dot slash. I will say here that my image will be there, my image src will be there, src, and src will be item dot image, item dot image. Now next I need alt text also, so that if anyone hover, so I'm saying alt will be nothing, alt will be nothing. I'm not getting any suggestion because I have not imported my link tag and image tag. So I will say import link from next link and image, import image from image tag. Cool. Now that was the coolest part. Now we need one div here. Okay, div. So inside this div we have like these text. If I come back here, this one. Okay, so how is it? Let's start creating this. We have a space dot, we have again this, we have space dot, and again this. Okay, cool. Now what is this basically? Here it is item dot language. I think that was language. Okay, and it was language. Now next here it was item dot category, and after that it was item dot ua slash current, sorry, ua slash. Okay, it was my bad. I've done mistake. Control Z u. Okay, I think it will be written in this format, or what I will say, I will remove this ua. Okay, cool. It will take not much more time. I think while creating db also it can make an issue, so we will not do like this. Ua, we will simply write ua. Okay, so I will make here dot ua dot ua. Cool. Now if I come to my browser and try to see the output, how is it looking? If I refresh, currently I'm not getting anything because I need to import this cursor to my file. Okay, so I will say here cur cursor and I will wrap it. Now I will say cursor is fine. I will come to my, I will create one file with the name same like cursor, new file cursor dot module dot css. Okay, and I will paste the same css code and we will try to modify a little bit as our need, and cursor dot css. Okay, and now next I will come here, it is saying style dot menu. Okay, I will import the style now, and I will come here, I will say import styles from, and this will come from cursor module dot css and it is styles, so I will say styles. Now next I will refresh it and hopefully I will get the data, but it's currently saying that from we have done spelling mistake, that so it was from. Okay, cool. Now it is still showing an error, correct, because we have not imported .css correctly. Cool. Now if I refresh, I should get the data. Okay, width and height we have not provided, fine, that's fine. So now here I will say width to be 500 and height to be 300. Okay, and if I refresh it, hopefully I should get the data. So it is saying something like these files are not valid. Okay, okay. So now I will do go to the documentation of Next.js, and I will copy the few line of code. Okay, I will copy this, and if I come here, I will copy this one code, and I will go to my module like next config.js, and I will paste this code here. Now next I will go to my error message, and it is saying that inside your this to be configure. Okay, I will configure this. So I will say here basically this. Okay, and I will remove this. Now if I come here and if I refresh it, I should get the data, correct. Now we will wait till the it's refreshing, and it's compiling. By the way, it will take a little bit time because the server had been stopped, means we have got to some error. So it has been done, and it is saying that every item, like every image, should have some key. Okay, cool, we have made the carousel and it's working even. So now next what is our task? We will remove this background color. Okay, it's not looking that much fine even. So our task is cursor.css, and we will remove this background. Cool. Now if I come back here, then it should successfully remove the, okay, background color is removed. And it is something like its height is too much or the height is same. Okay, cool. Now it's even scroll is working fine, no? I need the border radius. Okay, so what I will say here, border radius to be, it is not implementing by the one image, because I will go to my file, and I have one div tag, and inside div I have image instead of a tag. Okay, I will come back to my cursor, and I will remove it to a instead of a. Okay, I think a is fine. I think a is fine. I have dot menu. Okay, dot menu. Okay, menu I have, and inside menu I have one div, and I have one a tag, and inside a tag I have img tag. Okay, cool. What I will do now, right, I will do here dot menu. Inside menu I have one div, inside div I have a tag, and I have inside a tag I have one img tag, and I will make its width, like height to be auto. Okay, height to be auto. And next I will say, by the way, border radius I will copy from here, because this border will not be working here. So I will say border radius to be this, and border radius has been successfully applied, and even it's looking too pretty. Now what I need next, it's looking fine, but the margin is too much, correct. So currently you can see on the screen, margin is too much. Okay, now here I will kept my margin. I will copy this one margin, and I will paste this one margin here. I will remove this one margin from 10 to basically from 20 to 10. It will remove my margin. It has not even removed a little bit. Okay, cool. I will remove a little bit more, or else I can remove it. Okay, fine, it's fine. Okay, now what we want this text to be displayed here on the screen. Okay, now what I need, I will copy this one and I will paste it, and instead of image I will say div. Okay, so what I will say, position to be relative or absolute will be working fine. I will say here position to be absolute. Okay, means on the top of, it's not working. Position absolute is not working. Okay, cool, let me see why it is not working. If I come to my cursor, and inside a tag I have one div. Okay, cool, that's fine. And if I come here inside a tag div, I have height is auto, no need. And I will not need. I will say text align to be center. Let's verify whether it's applying or not. No. Okay, we will inspect it and we will see. Let's inspect, and let's see the why we are not getting. This is our div. Position we are making it absolute, and top to be 0. Okay, top to be 0. It has gone away on the screen. Okay, cool. And I will say here relative. I will say absolute will be not fine. I will say relative, by the way. Okay, and I can make its somehow like this 35. Okay, position relative and top to be minus 35 pixel. Okay, and now let's see. And now currently we can see that we have got it this output, and it's looking even too pretty. Now it's fine, but at the we need some margin. Okay, so what I will do, I will say here margin top to be 10 pixel. Okay, and if I come back here, so we have got a little bit margin. Fine. Now currently if you can see here, we are getting some shadow, correct? So now how we can achieve this shadow? So I will inspect it here, and we will try to grab this shadow. Okay, whatever the shadow they are using, we will use the same shadow. I will come here, and this is the div, and I will see here whether they are using somewhere shadow inside this. No. I will come here, and is it so? No, this is no. But and inside this, is this? No. Is this? No. So what I will do, first I will do control click, and I will come here. This is, I think they are using the shadow here. Okay, they are using here, so I will copy disclaimer, and I will come here, and I will come to my container, by the way, and I will paste it, and let's test whether it has been applied here or not. It has not, but I need to provide it to image, by the way, because at the background I can see it's applying. Okay, so if I come to my image and paste it, and if I remove it from here and come back to my file, currently it's not even able to visible me. Okay, cool. Background is not even visible me. Fine. Now what I will do, I will basically go back to this, and okay, let me come back. Okay, so this is my background shadow. If I remove this, so this is the shadow that they are applying, but it's not getting applied to us. Why? Mm, are they applying to this? Okay, I have got it. I think I have got it. I will copy this, and I will paste this to this div, and I think div height is not that much. And if I refresh it, we are getting to this div. Then why not to this image? I need to refresh, by the way. Is it so? If I come here and refresh it, we are not getting, but we are getting to this div. Okay, cool. So what I will do right now, I will use this one div, and I will say its height to be 100%. Okay, height to be 100%, and margin, see, we will figure it out. We are saying bottom, no. We will say here, instead of top, I will say top to be 0, and I will say here padding bottom to be minus 35 pixel. I hope we should achieve the same output. Padding we are not able to achieve by padding. We will do it margin, one sec, margin, margin bottom. Okay, cool. It has been went away even by doing this, so it will not work. I will say uh, so I will wrap this again inside one div. Okay, so what I will do, I will come to my cursor, and I will wrap this one div to again one div. Okay, and again one div, one sec. I will come here, I will wrap this one to one div, and is it wrapped? No. Okay, now I hope it's wrapped. Is it so? I don't think it is wrapped even. Something is wrong. Control Z, I will copy this, I will remove it from here, and I will paste it here. Okay, cool. Now it's been wrapped, and I can now do its styling. Okay, format document, and I will come to my cursor module.css, and I will make it as inside one more div. Okay, now I will copy this one part, and I will paste it, and I will say that background to be this thing. Okay, and fine. Now next I will say, if I refresh it, it is not working. Cool, because its position want to be the absolute. Okay, and if I, one sec, why I have applied it to images, it should apply it to div. Okay, cool. Now if I refresh, I am not getting. Okay, cool. And if I inspect it, everything will be done with the inspector, like how it is applying, how it is not. So this is our div, and this is also our div. So this one div we are saying, now I will make it okay, cool. It is like it is saying that we will say make it minus 22 pixel. For minus 22 pixel it's working fine. Okay, minus 22, I will say minus 22 pixel, and I will make its height to be height 100 pixel. Okay, so that we can achieve the proper output. So height we are achieving, but it's went away. Okay, cool. So we can make plus 1. Cool, we are getting it, but we will make it 100. Cool, now we are getting it. Now just our task is that we can get this at the center, like at the below. So now easily we can increase its height and we can manipulate the data. Okay, and I hope it should, let's refresh it again. Okay, cool. Now it's even looking fine. Now just we need this text to be bottom. Okay, if I inspect it, and I will come here and I will say this one text is in center, and I will say this text to be align item center, and this I will say display to be flex, and flex, after that I will say justify content, justify content to be center, and align item to be bottom. I think align item to be baseline. Cool, perfect. Align item to be baseline. Perfect. I'm coming here and I'm saying here, I think this one, I think this one, no, correct. uh, yeah, correct, this one. So I will come here, I will say display to be flex, so flex, and flex direction, no, flex, not flex direction, justify content to be center, align item to be baseline, and we can remove this. And if I come here, I should get then output. It's refreshing. If I refresh it again, it's not applying, by the way. So align item to be baseline, are we getting an error with this? Okay, that was end. I can make it to end. Okay, and fine. Now I will say margin bottom will be, or padding bottom. Okay, padding bottom, I will say 10 pixels, so that we can get little bit space from bottom. Okay, okay, cool. Now we have got this output, and we are getting the bottom, but not that much, so we can increase it to 20 or 30, I can say. Okay, not even to apply. So what I will say, I will say height to be instead of 100%, I will say 90%, then it will apply, I think. Cool, now it's working even fine. Now I don't need even this padding bottom. Correct, I don't need this padding bottom. Okay, cool. So till now we have successfully done this css. Now next we will start, if I come sorry. Okay, if I come back here, and if I come back, this we are not going to build, we are going to build this top notch. Okay, so what is this? This is a live, this is a banner. We are not going to perform any action, or what can I do? Let's build this. Okay, this is basically a news kind of banner. So I will create one file with the name banner, banner, and .jsx, and styling will be used from any other file. So I will say here export default async function, and function will be the name banner, and I will not get any parameter here. I will say here return, and I will wrap it inside one JSX fragment. Now I will define my data. Okay, so I will say data, sorry, I will say const data is equals to an object. Okay, so here I will say link. Okay, link, one sec, link is equals to sorry, link is equals to this, and after that I will say, by the way, title. Okay, so I will say title is this, and title is, by the way, what is the title here? It is non-stop kind of something. Okay, and after that I am saying that I am age image is equals to this, and is there anything else, by the way? No, I don't think anything else is there. So I will do copy image address, and I will come here, I will paste it. Okay, cool. And this will display me a image. Okay, fine. Now what can I do? I can simply say one container will be there, and so I will do here div, and here should be data, one sec, here should be data dot title, and next is here image, and I will say here image, and image width should, one sec, width, one sec, let me import this. Import, first of all I will import link, and after that I will import image from next image. Okay, I will wrap this, by the way, inside one link, otherwise I will face an error in upcoming part. I will say here link, and I will hit enter. I will say here slash, one sec, href to be data dot link. Okay, I think link na, correct, link, and after that I will wrap this inside one image, and image src will be data dot image, and after that I will say width to be 100, not 100, by the way. I will say here width to be 1000 pixel, and height to be, I will say, basically 200 or 300 I will use. Okay, and alt will be nothing. Fine, now I can easily say format document, and I will say banner. Okay, import banner. Now I will come here to my page.jsx, and I will say uh, banner, and I've imported this. Now I will come back here. I should get an output, by the way. Are we getting any error in my terminal? No, we are not getting any error. So if I come here and I'm getting this, okay, fine, perfect, but it's coming too below, its width is even not that much. So what next? We will style it. Okay, what I will do now, I will not create a new style, I will import this style from cursor itself. Okay, like, or what can I do? I will do it from menu. Okay, because menu file doesn't have that much line of code. So I will come to my banner, and I will paste it here. Okay, import styles. Now what I will do, I will say class name is equals to styles dot banner. Okay, and I will say this is for banner, and this is for banner image. I will copy it, I will paste it, banner image. Okay, cool. Now next I will come to my cursor.css. Where is my cursor? Sorry, menu.css. Okay, file. I will say here banner will be like font, or wait, color to be, one sec, col, color to be white, and after that I will say basically um, font size to be 2, not 2, 20 pixel. Okay, and font weight will be bolder. Cool, I think it should be applied. 20 is too small, so I will say, by the way, 40. And if I come here, so this is applied, perfect. I need some margin also, like I will say margin, I will say from top also I need some 10 pixel, and from left right 20 pixel. If I do it pixel, then will be fine. Come here. Okay, cool. We are getting now what we want, that we need to style this image. Okay, so I will come basically to my banner file, and I will copy my class name. Okay, now I will come to my css file, and I will say here dot banner, and I will say width to be 100 vw. Okay, and if I come back here, so its width to be should be applied, but it's not applying. Why? Because there is one reason. Because this image is inside this a tag na. So what I need to do, I need to do basically here banner image inside img tag. Okay, and now it should get an output. Cool, perfect, now we are getting it, but the issue is that why we are getting this space. Let's figure it out. I inspect it right now, and if I see why I'm getting this space. So basically here is something like height issue is there, correct? So let's figure it out. Where is this height issue? And I think I have provided here some height related thing. Width is fine, and I think this one is not correct. So oh, okay, I think height it is taking, not this one div, it is not taking. Is it taking this one? Fit content is fine. Display block, no. Is it inside this one? Any image is not taking even. Is it this one div? No. Is it this one div? No. Is it not this, not this? So how the height, from where this height is coming? From where this height is coming? From this? No. Overflow scroll is fine. Width is fine. We can remove this. Okay, cool. We will figure it out how this is coming, and we have started figuring out. Scroll bar width is fine. No? This is an a tag. We are saying width to be fit content. Text decoration display block. That's fine. Padding it is fine. But padding is inside this one div. Na? We are getting some height from here itself. I think height that we are getting was. We will see. I think the height we are getting is. We will come here menu and where is that our ben, sorry, cursor. Okay, cursor and height I think we are getting from here. So I will make this height to be 100, and let's see what is the output. No, not this even. Cool, interesting. Now let's figure it out. It's too interesting from where this height is coming. I will come and I will, they are saying it is, I can see clearly here that I am getting this height from this a tag. So is it because of display block? No, because while removing this display block also I am getting this same. If I move inside this, I am getting one image tag, and image is not acquiring anything. Okay, but this div I am getting some kind of doubt with this div. Height it is fine, but top it is something related to this. I think so. So I can say position relative it is fine, but I need to shift this then completely to the top. And what can I say, this height it is taking. So there's another way, and the other way we will implement. So this is our banner, correct? So I will come to my menu.jsx and I will say here margin top, okay, minus 20 pixel, no, 100 pixel. Will it work? Not working. It's more in margin. I will inspect it, and we will try to figure it out with the margin itself, because we need to do. And if I come here and we have done like this and banner, and okay, what I will do, I will basically provide here height. Overflow I can make hidden. Okay, height I will say 200 pixel. Cool. And I will increase it to 300 pixel, by the way, so that okay, 300 pixel, and this component is menu height. One sec, this one. Okay, so I will say here height to be 300 pixel. Okay, and I can get an output, but currently not getting even a single thing. So it is saying height it had been acquired somehow like this. I think this one we have done something wrong. I think so. It is menu, but we are on cursor na, so this will be implemented to cursor. Now I will come to my cursor module.css and I will implement here. Our bad, we have implemented on the wrong file. Cool. Now we have implemented on the correct file path, and our scroll bar and our image is also visible. Fine. Now what's next? So next is if I come back here and see what's there next. here we are getting somehow like this data. Okay, and continue watching, we'll not implementing right now because we need to store this data in our history, so we are not doing this. So now next is hot right now. Okay, and this is somehow kind of height and width are same. So what I will do right now, I will copy this uh, hot banner. Okay, I will create one file with the name hot banner. Wait, hot b a n n hot b a n n e r dot jsx. Okay, I will copy paste the same this one code. Now why, sorry, not this one, I will say cursor one code. Now why I'm doing this, I will let you know. Wait a while, I will paste this one code here. Sorry, where's that my banner went away, hot banner. And here I will say okay, I've imported, I will say your file name as hot banner. Okay, now I will say hot banner is fine, I'm getting an images, and I will wrap this whole data inside one JSX fragment. Okay, and I will say format document. Now next what I will do, I will come to my banner and I will copy this. Okay, and I will come back to my hot banner and I will paste this here. After that what I will do, I will say basically hot banner, or I will say here basically uh, const title, title is equals to, and the text whatever was displayed here, that is hot right now. I will paste it here. Now I will copy this and I can easily display this title here. Correct. Now I need to import this even style from the correct path. Correct, because if I show you right now inside my one sec, I think that is this one file, we need to import it from menu. Okay, so I will come here and hot banner, and if I need to import it from hot banner, both the names cannot be the same, so I will remove one s from here and I will use it like this, control V. And if I come, I need to import this hot banner in my file, so I will come here hot banner and I can see the output on my screen. Okay, it is scrolling, scrolling is not fine, we are okay, we got in one bug. Okay, now we are getting this data. Okay, this data right now here. Now that's cool, I need this margin top little bit more, like margin top, if we, from top margin is there, it will look more cool. Okay, now I have one banner. Okay, banner dot module dot css, I think menu dot css, and we had one banner here. So I need margin top to be, one sec, I will say here top to be 20 pixel, and right to be 20 pixel, and bottom to be 10 pixel, and left to be 20 pixel. Okay, somehow like this I will do, and okay, cool, now it's looking fine. Perfect. Now next our task, first of all let's remove this like scrolling. Why this scrolling is happening? So this is an image. Okay, so we will come to our banner, I think hot banner, not yeah, I think not hot banner. I will come to my banner and not this one even, menu, I think menu, not even menu, what was that? Yeah, cursor, correct, that cursor. And I want this whatever the height we have provided now inside a cursor file, like height, I think height we have provided here. Correct. So what I need, overflow we have provided here, scroll, but I need that I think here I need to provide overflow, uh, overflow y, overflow y to be hidden. Let's see whether is it hidden or not. Still I'm able to scroll, let me refresh. It shouldn't happen, by the way, both the scrolls are happening. Why? Okay, let's inspect it, let's see why it's happening. So, and let me scroll it a little bit. Okay, fine. And now I will come here, a tag. Okay, this is my this a tag. Okay, I will say a tag to overflow as hidden. Okay, overflow as hidden, but still it is scrolling. mm, mm, I will say here basically mm, overflow. Where is overflow? I am implementing na menu, but overflow why is coming here? I will say here X. Now what will still I am able to scroll. I will say here overflow to be hidden. Currently not able to scroll. Okay, cool. So inside menu I have one div. Okay, I will come here inside menu. I have one div. So I have one div. I want to make its overflow is hidden. Okay, so I will say here overflow to be hidden. Perfect. Now if I'm scrolling on this image, then I am unable to drag this image at the top. Okay, cool, fine. Now what next I need to do? We need to kept these forms in form of a square, correct? Okay, cool. Next I will do here, I will copy this one image, copy image address, uh, copy image address. Okay, I will come back and hot banners, I will replace this URL. Okay, and I will say control by the way control F, and I will replace this image with control V and replace all. Perfect. Now it has been done. If I come back to my browser and come here, and if I see currently, can you see that we have got an output? Perfect. Now let's do its styling. Now this will be in square form, so I will be needing 500 by 500. Okay, and images will be coming from cursor. Okay, so I will not use by the way cursor here. I will copy the file name of here I will create one file with the name hot files hot banner, hotbanner dot module dot css. Okay, I will copy paste the same css by the way, just I need control C and this. So here height I am providing here by the way, height auto I am saying na. So I will see, I will figure it out how I am getting, but right now I will come to my hot banner and I need to import it from the right path now. So I will say dot slash and hot banner module dot css. Now I need this image tag, correct? This image tag img, I will come here and img tag, this is my img tag. I will say my width to be 100 not 200 pixel, height to be auto, and let's see, it is looking fine, working fine, coming fine, but we need to increase its height. Okay, so for that I will do basically 300. Let's see an output. Looking fine, cool, looking fine, perfect. Now what's next? uh, mm, mm, here it's looking fine even. I think we are getting some margin, correct? Because I can see here I am getting some kind of margin. Let me remove this margin first. mm, I will first of all copy, I will see on which tag like a margin is coming, so that it can be too easy for me to remove. Okay, this I am getting margin, so I will remove this margin. Cool, perfect, I have removed this margin, so it is inside menu. I will come to this file, menu file, and from here I will remove this margin. And okay, cool, and I have removed, I think, yeah, I have removed this margin. If I refresh it, and perfect, but currently I can see that from left right this margin had been removed, but this side not, this one not removed. So I will do the same for cursor one. I will remove this one margin from here, and let's see an output. Okay, cool, and now if I scroll, perfect, now this is perfect way. And now next we will do the one component which is left, was this kind of data. Okay, once this kind of data is done, then we are good to go. Okay, now next what I need or else what can I do right now here now? There is one more option instead of increasing this file size. Okay, what is that? I will show you. I will, this is a cursor one file now, this is fine. Hot banner also same. Okay, I think hot banner is something what is hot banner? Okay, hot right now. Okay, cool, hot right now. So this is what hot right now. Okay, title is hot right now. Okay, cool. So what I need, I will import this file from itself, css, sorry, cursor one. Okay, and I will, what I will do, I will implement this hot banner na image. So I have provided here width as 300 pixels. So what I will do currently, I will come here and I will say style, and style I will implement as 300 pixel, and I will wrap it inside one string. Okay, cool, this we have implemented, and I can easily delete this file now. And okay, and now inside hot banner I've implemented, and if I come here, then it's working same. Why I have not thought this before? Okay, fine. Now what's next? Now next is we need to use create this one kind of banner. Okay, this one. So I will copy this fresh episodes. Okay, I will come here and I will create one file, uh, mm, mm, main cursor. Okay, main cursor, main cursor dot jsx, and I will copy paste the hot banner one code, because everything will be the same, correct? I will main cursor, where is my main cursor? I will paste this here. And now what I need, instead of this na, uh, 300 pixel, what I will say that make it to 200 pixel, and height will be the auto. And next we will change these urls. Okay, and I will copy this one, copy image address, and I will replace these urls. Okay, I will say control F and replace this with this one url. I will hit enter. Now I have successfully replaced, and I will come right now, and I'm not getting any output. Perfect. So I will say here my main cursor, main main cursor, and main cursor will, I will import this main cursor to my file here, main cursor. Okay, and if I come here, and I should get an output. So I'm getting an output, and it's looking too pretty one. But the way I need, I don't need right now these. If I come here, I don't have anything like any css or any styling, correct? So what I will do, I will come to my main cursor dot css. Okay, and I will remove these. I don't need, I can remove this one. If I come back to my file, like, so I am getting this as it is, like as an output. Cool. And now even I am getting, I can able to click on these. So now I can easily manipulate this data. Okay, now if I come here and in my page.jsx, and if I do control C, and I can copy paste it to 4 to 5 times. Okay, and like it has copied. Okay, so this, till now we have completed this basically the UI part. Okay, now what's next? Now we will implement it with db. Okay, so what, how we will implement it with db? So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, first of all, what you need to do, you need to create your, you need to connect your database. Okay, you need to connect your database. So for that, I will, we, like I am not creating like actual database. Okay, actual db I am not creating. Or what I can say, I can connect this to my database. What I will do right now, I will go to my this one database. So manage, and and I will go to my enter JioCinema clone. Okay, and I have entered to this panel. Now I will use here ChatGPT to generate queries. Okay, so first of all, what I need inside my navbar, sorry, this one main menu. Okay, menu, for menu I need create a table with the name. Okay, in I will say here in my SQL create a table with the name as I can say menu. Okay, menu, and okay, first of all I will create a table. Okay, so here is an, now it has given me the table, create a table. So it has given me data also, that is begin name. I don't need, what is the, I need link, by the way. So I will come here, I will, okay, let's modify it. Okay, cool. I will come here to my console. I will open the console. I will not manually do this part. I will, what is their price, I don't need. Okay, I will remove the price. Current created at is fine, and begin is it, I will make it is, it as menu, or id it is fine. Okay, after that I will say name is fine. After that I will say link to be text, and I will create this table. Now this table is created, and let's add some data to this table. Okay, I will and if I go to again ChatGPT, and if I come here and I will copy this one data. Okay, whatever the data is there, till here I will copy. I will come here and I will copy this, and I will say add this data to add this data to table, and I will say my table has one name field, and my table my table has one link field. Okay, link FEILED and name. Okay, now it will give me the query which will add this data to this. Okay, so it has started giving me modify link. Okay, that's fine, we have already done. Okay, now it has given me some links to do this. Okay, cool. I will copy this, by the way, and I will copy paste this here, and I will hit enter. Now it has added me some data to this. Okay, and now what can I do? I will come here and I will copy paste the same other data also. So I will come here, one sec, my bad. Okay, from crickets I will copy this, and I will come to ChatGPT and I will paste this here. Okay, and I will copy the rest of these also, whatever is left now. My bad again. Okay, one sec, one sec. I will copy these. Array. Cool. And now I have copied this, and I will go to ChatGPT. I will paste this. Now I will say to the ChatGPT, do same for this also. Do same for this data also, and I will hit enter. Now this will insert this data also to this database. Okay, and I will copy the example and I will paste it here. I will hit enter, and successfully we have created this data. Okay, now what? Now I need to basically what I need to go to my this file. Okay, and what I need now, I need to create a server file. Like I will create one folder with the name API. Okay, or route. I will say server, and okay, server I have created. Now I need that. Okay, without wasting our time, let me see how we can connect this. Okay, database. So what I will do, I will go to my let's start backend, and this is my project, by the way. And in this project I have created how can I create, like how can I connect, sorry, not let's start, I think let's start backend it is now. Okay, fine. Now what I will do here, I will come to my layout.jsx. Okay, and from here I will copy this. Okay, this will create me a pool. I will copy this one code. Okay, and first of all I need to import I need to install mysql 2. Okay, so first I need to install mysql 2. So I will do here npm. I let my terminal open. Okay, let's paste this code. Okay, here inside our layout.txt file I will paste it. One sec, I will copy this, and I will copy the same this one also. This code you can see on the screen. This will help us to connect our database. Okay, and I can do here npm I mysql 2. Okay, so now currently here you can see what is we are creating a pool. Okay, mysql, we need to import mysql. Okay, let's import the mysql also, and now we can easily close this tab, and I will show you. Okay, I have imported this mysql promise, and we have created this pool. We have exported this my let's start using function. Okay, so now how this exactly work, and how it's not going to work, we will see. So now next what I will say, now we need to get this data. Okay, whatever the data we like this we have created. Okay, we will create do I will come here and I will go to my server folder, and I will say uh, I will say function, not get menu. Okay, get menu, menu.js x, not only js. So I will say here, I can easily close this terminal. I will say here export async function. One sec. Export default, not default, async function, and function name will be get menu. Okay, and parameter I will not get anything, and I will say here const, and this is my query, by the way. I will say data is equals to main. So main lit star db. Okay, this is, by the way, our function name. If I show you in my layout.txt, this is the function name. Okay, so I will use here that query, and I will do like this. And if I do remove this, okay, cool, this is my query, and I can easily do here console dot log data. Okay, now we will see how exactly we are getting the data. And but currently we need to configure data, like I need to create one env file also. So what I will do, I will create one file dot env, and I will move this env file out of my src folder. Okay, now I need to paste a few line of code, like node code, this is data. I will copy this, and I will come here, I will paste my data here. I will remove unnecessary part, like this, and same for this, and same for this. Basically we are keeping the names. Okay, nothing else we are doing. Now we will see what is our host url, and what is our user, what is our password, and what is our this. Okay, so we will come here, and we will go back to our hostinger panel. So I will say hostinger panel, and we need to get the details of our database, so that we can able to connect our database. Cool. Now this will be, where's our database, this will be our database. Okay, so if I, where it has gone, where it has gone, where it has gone, JioCinema. Okay, this one. So this is our mysql database. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy this, and I will come here, this is my database. Okay, now this is my database user. Okay, I will copy this, so I will paste it in user side. Now my password was that. Now next is how we can connect it. So I will come here to my remote mysql, and I will copy this host. Okay, I will copy this, and I will paste to my host url. And I hope guys you are I'm sure you have remembered my password, I'm sure. So what I will do, I will show here 123 at the rate. Okay, cool. Now next what I will say, I need to get this data. Okay, get menu, I need to call this. So how can I call this data? I will come to my this file, and I need to go to menu file. This is my menu file, by the way. And I will say here const fetch data, fetched data is equals to menu, or I will say await uh, get menu, and this will be a function, and I will console this function, or just I will refresh this page. And if I refresh, currently I'm getting an error that I think it's not able to connect. mm, mm, or what can I do, I will stop the server. And yes, I want to stop, I will do cls, and I will start the server again, because I have installed dependency again. So might be possible that we can get an error. Okay, so for perfect startup I am doing this. And right now if I refresh, so on the server side it's compiling the code, and hopefully everything will work fine. We will wait till it's compiling. It will. Okay, we have got an error that the error is that somewhat here. So that is and value has been mixed, supported, interested. Okay, okay. Request from this to this, promise is pending. Okay, 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 got it. I think I have not used somewhere await. So what I will do right now, I will go back to my get menu, and I will use here await. Okay, till the data is not coming, I need to wait. Okay, and if I currently, you can see guys, I have got the data. Wow, the thing which we are working. Cool. And I think this was the really great choice. I will come to my menu file, and I can remove this data, by the way. Now I don't need this, and I can say this data, I will copy this name, and I can kept it here. if I go back here and refresh, so what do you think, guys? What will I get? I'm getting an error. Cool. Why error? Even I don't know. So I will console the data here, console.log data, and I will remove this one data from here, so that because I am not returning data from here, I will return data. Okay, whatever the data I have got it, I have returned the data. So currently you can see on the screen we have got this data. You can see here, for you, India versus Big Boss, free movies, BBK, and so on. Okay, all the things we have got it. Now next we will use these banners. Okay, so we will come back here, and we will create one file again, like again. So this is one cursor na, sorry, banner, I think banner na, yeah, banner. So not banner exactly, I think cursor it is. Okay, cursor. So here we have this data we are getting from movie table, I think, correct? Yes, movie table. So what I will do right now, I will go to chat gpt and I will say create a table with the name movies. Create a table name with create table name, create a table with the name movies. Okay, and column colum. Okay, column first will be id, of course id will be required. Second will be name. Third will be link. Now we will come to this file. Okay guys, this one file, where is that gone, where is that gone? Okay, this one file. See, we need here image. Okay, will, and name we need, name we have done link. Fourth we need, and what can else I need here? One sec, where this? Okay, this one. What I need here, name, duration I need, duration. After that, fifth I need title. Sorry, name is fine, I think. Yeah, name is fine. And after that, category and year. mm, category, category. Sixth, do I think year. After that, seventh will be, and seventh will be UA slash UA. I think we have kept UA na, at that place. So this will be UA. So it will be UA is UA. Okay. After that, eighth will be, and eighth we will see here. What is this? We have one description. Okay, description and a cast. Okay, so I will say here description, and I will say ninth to be a cast, and we don't need, by the way, this link, because on the basis of id we will redirect our data. Okay, so we can easily remove this link. And third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Cool. Now I think everything is done. Image we have done, name we have done, duration, horror, and cast. Cool. I think this all data we need, and we can easily now say to ChatGPT that do this work for us. Now it will do this for us, and no, I we will say this 2 minutes. Perfect, fine. Now what can I say? Let me verify. It has created and begin, fine. Name it has created, varchar, fine. Duration, fine. Category as varchar, fine. Year means begin, sorry, integer, fine. UA, not UA will be the text, because on the basis of our need we are going to define it, fine. Description text, cast text. Okay, fine, perfect guys. So now I will copy this and I will come here and I will paste this. Now the thing is, let's remove these, and this one also I will remove. Let's remove the comments. Okay, and I will remove this gen, comma. Okay, and now what I need this to be text, text. Okay, cool, I can hit enter now. Now one more column I need to add, by the way. Here I forgot that, created at. Okay, I will say add one more column, created at. Add one more column, created underscore at. Okay, so it is saying that update the modify. Okay, we will copy this and we will come back and we will paste it, and I will say control click, and we have successfully created this, also created it. Perfect guys. Now what I will say that add me the random data. Okay, not random data. So I will say how can I do insert, how can I insert the data. Now I will say now how can I insert the data. So it will give me a query so that I can't write it by my own, or else I can also write. So currently here you can see we are going to add this. Okay, name is space fine, duration, category, year, UA, description, cast. Perfect, fine. I will copy this, I will come here and I will maximize it, I will clear it, I will paste it. So name we need, duration we need, category we need, year, UA, description, cast. Perfect, fine. So now I will copy this. First of all I am going to add this. I will copy this name and I will come here. Name will be this, and duration is I think 2 hour means 2 hour 23 minutes means for 2 hour 120 minute, and 120 40 143. Okay, so 143 I will come here, I will edit it to 143, and action, it is not action, it is horror, and in which year it is came in 2024. I will come here 2024. I will say what is this true by the way. No, it was text, we have converted to text now. Control Z and text. Okay, perfect. Now we need to add description, so let's add description here. I will copy and I will paste this description here, and I will paste it like this. Now I'm getting an error, and the error is that mm, 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 I'm getting it as and few keywords like this. So instead of doing like this, what I will say, no, I don't need like this. I will say insert data because I'm getting some kind of an error. So begin time not going to do, name again I need to do. I will copy and here in description I will paste. I will come back, I will say copy this name. Inside name I will put duration was 143 and category was horror. I will copy it and I will paste it. I will say here UA slash this, and I will paste it. Year was 2024 and UA was this. Description fine, cast is here. I will copy paste the cast and I will paste it here, and I can easily say go. Well, now it has created me one movie. If I show you, currently you can see here it has created me one movie. So on the home screen, if I show you, we need here at least how many movies, 1 2 3 to look it perfect and good. Okay, so I will come back here and I will move to this movie. I think we have missed one thing, and that thing is image. Correct? Image category. One sec, let me check. If it is, then we need to do. Correct, we have missed one. Okay, fine. Now what I will do, I will again do one, add one column. Add one column with the name image. Add one column with image. I will hit enter. Now easily I can copy this. I will come here, I will open my terminal, means SQL terminal. I will hit enter. It has created me the menu table. I will come here and I will go back and I will copy this one image. Okay, so how can I copy? I need to inspect it, and and let me get the URL of this image. I will see where is this image by the way. Let me see. It's not this. Is it not this? Not this. Not even this, not even this. So what is the, so from where this image URL is coming? Is it from this one div? Might be. No, I think this is navbar. One sec. The best way is go to network tabs, refresh this page and get the image. So now I think how can I get this image? This is an image preview, correct. Open copy image URL, and if I come here and edit this and I can easily, where's the URL? Okay, here I can paste it here and I can say go. I have created one table, means one movie. I need just two more, so that our application will look perfect. Or else what can I say here? Duplicate it. Not duplicate, because we need to show the exact data. I will come here and I will come to this movie, and now this movie I fetched this image. Now let's come to down, or else I can refresh this so that my images should be visible. Okay, one sec guys. Okay, now if I come here and if I open this, I have got this image URL, copy image URL, and I will come here and I will paste this image URL. One sec. Text, duration, cast, timestamp and image. Okay, now I can easily close this one tab from here. I will copy this is cast and I will paste it here, and after that I will say the description is this, and I will paste this description here. Now next I will say UA. What is UA here? That is 16, and UA is 16, and it is also movie of 2024. Year is 2020, sorry, it is year 2024. And after that category, what is category? This is also horror. 1 hour 37 minute category is this, and 1 hour 37 minutes means 97. Okay, after that name will be, I will come here, I will copy this name, and I will come to here and I can say have I filled everything here? Correct. Now I can say go. Now one more movie has been created. Okay, cool. Now next what can I do? I will copy one more movie from here. I will copy this one. I will go to network types and I will refresh it again. Is it because while inspecting it will take too much time to get the image URL from here? Image URL, and I can easily say insert, and I will say image URL is this, and if I come here and remove this, I will say Mohini, name is Mohini. Okay, and I will say duration. What is the duration? 2 hour 5 minutes. 2 hour 5 minutes means 25, 125. And category is this, in which year it has been released. It is in 2018. I will copy it and I will come here, year 2018. UA is this, and description is this. After that description I have got it, and cast is here. Now this is the cast. Okay, so now I can easily say go. So we have till now successfully copied like three image like movies. Okay, so now next what I need to do, I need to get this data in my project. Okay, so in my project I need to get this data here on cursor, correct. So I will create here one function. I will copy it, I will hit enter, and I will say here instead of get menu, get cursor, or get cursor item, get cursor item. Okay, now this need to be select from which table. Let me close this tab. From which table I need to do? From movies. So I will come here and I will say select star from movies, and I will return here data. Okay, I will come here and I will say const await sorry, uh, ddata is equals to, and I will say basically here await, and what was the name, get cursor data, cursor item. Okay, I will say get cursor item, and I will wrap it. After that I will say console dot log and data. Okay, sorry, not data, dd, or sorry, dd. Okay, and let me check whether I am doing fine. Select star. Okay, fine. Now I will come here, guys. See, we need to improve these queries only. Okay, I am just manipulating this data here. I will come here, and if I go to this terminal and scroll completely to the bottom and refresh it right now, here it is saying main function is defined multiple times. Okay, 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 fine, fine, fine. We have copied the whole file. Fine. Now I should get an output, and I have got it those three movies whatever we have added. Okay. Currently here you can see name, uh, image. Okay. Now but for here, like for this table, what I need for cursor table, what I need only link, correct, and image. Link is also not required, by the way. I need image and language. So basically what is language here, and language we have not added. Okay, so let's add one more column with the name language. Okay, so I will do here, copy this, and I will say here alter, and I will say language, this to be image instead of image, language. I will hit enter, and I will move to this. I will edit this fastly. I will do this part. I will come here and I will say hind hindi. I will copy it, control k, and I will move. I will edit the second one also, and I will say go. Now what I will, instead of doing that like this, what I do, I can do like this also. Okay, fine. Now if I refresh, then I will get hindi also. Okay, like language also. And if I go here and refresh, I'm getting language. I'm not getting, why? Okay, okay, I am getting language also. Fine, cool. So this is what a language we have got it. So we need language only. Okay, so here language we need, category need, and ua we need. After that image also we need. So I will come here, here I will say here I need language. I need what else I need category, and what else I need image. Okay, and after that I need after image I need ua. I think ua is here, correct. So I think four things are totally needed here. Let's verify. Total four things are needed: cursor, and image is first, language is second, category third, and ua fourth. Perfect, fine. So now I can easily remove this. What do you think, guys? I can easily remove this, and what I will do right now, I will change this d. Okay, fine, like this. And now what can I do? Instead of image url, now I will say that I want to redirect it to the user somehow like this, backticks, and dollar id, even id also I need. Okay, mm, item dot, I think item na, correct, item dot id. And if I see here id we are getting, and I need to say that I need id also. Okay, I need id also. Perfect, cool. Now if I go back to my browser and if I refresh, okay, no need to refresh, even I've got it an output. Okay, so now next, what error I am facing, that I think we are not able to see language category, we are not able to see. Okay, let's see, let's figure it out why we are not able to see category. I think spelling mistake is there, or what is there? No, we are getting now. Okay, cool. So we have got this data. So uh, okay, I will say add here limit also. Okay, like I need 20 data, control k, add limit here. So it will add a limit to this. Okay, limit 10. Perfect. Only 10 data will be visible to us. So this is fine. Now this banner is fine, and we will manipulate this data also. So everything is fine, I think, here also, and here in movies, here also movies. So the data will be same. Okay, Now what can I do? Basically, mm, I can basically fetch this data. Okay, this one query, where is that, where is that? Inside this cursor, what can I do right now? I can get this one data on my pages. Okay, on my pages, and I can, one sec, I can say here, export default async function home and data. Now what I need my data inside my which file, cursor one na. So I will pass my data like this, data. Now what this will do, I don't need this data here. I will say I'm getting data itself here. Okay, cool, perfect. I need to add this one file. I will remove this and I will go to my pages.jsx and I can add this. Now I will get the same data. Okay, no changes will be visible to us. Okay, you can see here, if I refresh, no changes are there. We are getting exactly our data. Okay, now next, I will copy paste this data. I will not this in banner, but in hot banner I need. And and one sec, and after that I need in main cursor, and in main cursor I need everywhere. I will copy paste and I will run it for 4 to 5 time. Okay, just that's it. Okay, cool. So after that what I will do, I will basically create again, go back here. Okay, and I will say hot banner, and this data, whatever the data is, this I'm getting, this data is here. So I can say this, everything is same. Okay, I can remove it easily. And now what I need, that I will say item dot link will be replaced with backticks, and I will say backticks and slash dollar id. Okay, item dot id. So we have got it the id and we are rendering the id. Now if I come here back, we are getting into error. What are those? If I refresh, are we going to get any error? Let's refresh. No errors. So currently if I show you, currently here you can see hot. Right now we have got it these 3 images. Perfect, cool, everything working fine right now. Now we need for main cursor. Okay, inside main cursor we are what, we are getting the data. Okay, data. And what I will do right now, I will remove this data from here, and I will remove this link because link we are not getting. And I will say slash dollar, I will say here item dot id. Okay, and I can easily come here and I can easily say that my data is coming. Now it depends, guys. See, you need to manipulate this data. Okay, now if I show you, if I shows you how this can be manipulated. Here we need to show the square images, correct? And here we need to show some like 9:16 images, correct? So what can you do? Let me, okay, let us do. So we will create a column with the name square images. Okay, I will come here and I will say here square images. I'm sorry, square. Okay, not square. Oh, I will say um, 16:9, 169, not square. I can say a rectangle or rec images. Okay, I'm saying rec images. I add rec images. Inside rec images I will go here and let me clear it and let me close it. Okay, these 3 are there. Rec images means we need to show some kind of this data. Okay, if I go back and I am getting this one movie here, Moini, I will share copy image address. I will come here and I will share Moini one, add this, enter, and I will say here this is Gangaram. I think this one, copy image address. One sec, and this is, I will paste this here. And next what I will do, I will say this one movie na. I will move back and I will copy this movie image, copy image address, and I will come here. I will paste this image address here, hit enter. Cool. Now I can easily retrieve this url. What do you think, guys? I can easily retrieve this image url. So I will say, I will come here and I will say, I will copy this and I will say main cursor, get main cursor item, and I can easily say I need rec images also with this and comma. Okay, but I don't need it at this time. I don't need img, I don't need category, I don't need language, I don't need UA, I just need images and ID. Okay, these two things I need, nothing else I need. Okay, so next, what I will make this limit to 20, and I will say to my page, I will copy this, and I will say hit enter and get main image. I will say main data, and I will say main, or first let me remove get main. Okay, cool. So easily I can say that instead of data I want to send you this form of data, so you can manipulate on this on the basis of your need. Cool, perfect. Now what will I can send the same here. First of all, let's do it for banner. So I'm getting here ID. By the way, I need on hot banner these all things, so I will go back and to my page.jsx. I don't need hot banner, I need data itself here, but I need main cursor. So main cursor is this. So I need what I need, ID, and after that src image. Fine, instead of image I need then that name will be rec image. I will copy it and I will paste this. So let me go to that particular file and let me make it. Okay, cool, fine. Now if I come back to my browser and refresh it, so we should get an output in our expected format. So as you can see, we are getting the format as we want. Now currently here you can see we are getting 3. So now let's try adding one more movie. Okay, what will happen, I will copy image address. So we are adding this one movie. I don't know what is the name of this movie. Language is even to, I think, not sure what is the language. Okay, so I will say here rec image is this, and I will say that this is my name, and okay, name, this is my name, and 1 hour 55 minutes means 115. I will come to here. I think that was I've copied description, correct description, and duration was 115. After that, category is what is the category? Category is this horror, and category is horror, and UA in which year? In 2024, and year 2024. UA is this, and cast. Okay, let's copy the cast even. Cast is this, and if I come here and if I paste image. Okay, image and language. What is the language? Language we are saying that it will be in Hindi. Okay, but exactly I don't know in which language this movie is. I'm just typing. I will inspect it and I will try to get the URL of this movie, and I will go to network tabs and I will refresh. So I can easily get the URL of this movie. This is the image. I will do copy image URL, and I will come here and I will paste the image URL. So till now I filled everything. Okay, now I can say easily go. Now if I come back to my browser and if I refresh, I should get the this movie. If I okay, you can see here I have got this movie. Okay, and here also I have got this movie, and here also, and here also, and here also. Even in this format it's looking better. Not better, by the way, this format is fine. Okay, so this is how guys you can create the project. Okay, and if you need further customizations like a link redirection and all, you can implement. So we have seen how you can connect the DB and how you can make queries and how you can make your task more simple with the help of chat GPT, and how you can create the tables and how you can connect the database to your project. Okay, so that's all in this video guys. Hope you enjoy. If you need the source code, I will provide you the link. So what, okay, let me push this code to the GitHub itself, then you can take it. Okay, so what I will do right now, I will come here and I will first delete my env file. Okay, I will say guys, first of all you can look that how env file looks like. Okay, this is in env file data. I will delete it. Okay, and that's it. I will, what I will do right now, I will delete first of all my data from like this table from hostinger, so that if in future if any one of you is trying to get, you will not be able to get. Okay, so next what I need to delete this Perfect. This has been removed. Now I can easily close this. And now I will go to GitHub. I will say GitHub, and I will create here one repo, and inside that repo let me push, and you can access from there. Okay, your repositories, new repo. I will say Geo, one sec, Geo Cinema. See, the website will not be working, okay, because database had been deleted, and you can only access the code. Now, what is it? I will copy it. I will go here. I will see Control C. Yes, I want to. I will see CLS. I will paste. Cancel. I will do first because I need to push it somehow. I need to push all the files. Okay, so I will go back like this, and I will do git init dot. Okay, means git init is fine. I will say git add dot. I will hit enter. So it will push my whole the code to GitHub, and let's wait for a while. Okay, it has pushed. Now if I come here and if I refresh, so here is a code, guys. So if you want to access the code, you can access from here. So this is the URL. You can see this URL. Okay, you can view it properly. So GitHub username personal and vjj1137 slash JioCinema. Okay, come to this and you can get this code. So that's all, guys, in this video. Hope you enjoy, and I hope you are not bored. And if you want to subscribe my YouTube channel, you can. Thank you for watching this video till end. Thank you.